The problem we have in the state is that 11 persons.
Hello guys, welcome once again to Think Tank TV. Now, in the heart of the River State political battlefield, a storm has been brewing. Former Speaker Edison Ehie, a key player in the recent political drama, steps forward to unveil the truth behind the chaos. Like you can see, Edison standing on the stage with so much confidence, facing the camera with determined expression. Yes, you can see Edison ready to shed light on the murky waters of our state's political landscape. Recall he was the mastermind behind the failed impeachment attempt on Governor Fubara, having been in the corridors of the power dynamics in River State for some time. Like we all know, but for Edison Ehie, who was also an assembly member, in a bold move, 27 lawmakers loyal to the former governor of River State in person of Nyesom Wike and the current FCT minister attempted to impeach Governor Fubara. Now let's hear from him as he opens up the can of worms to expose the deep secrets of Nyesom Wike and the 27 lawmakers. Please intentionally do well to drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's know what you think about the exposition of Edison Ehie, and we shall continually be here to serve you. Take a look.
The problem we have in the state is that 11 persons said they will control the resources of River State. Onago agree? These 11 persons now called another 20-something persons and said, Burenka, Jinka, take this one. I don't collect my own. Onago agree? And we have told them, you can be 20-something, but Rivers people, we are in our millions. Not be so? This local government, we gathered and voted 2 assembly members, Queen Williams and Edison Ehie. Now 2 of us go remove governor for now. Can 2 of us remove the governor? We must come to you. Governor has done wrong. What do you think? You sit down and you want to remove a governor of the most powerful economic state in Nigeria? What that governor will teach you, you will learn a lesson in your life. How many days when we don't go with them? How many days when we don't go with them? How many days when we don't go with them? How many days when we don't go with them? How many days when we don't go with them? How many days? How many days? When the law will speak, gangsterism will keep quiet. Don't be so. Ahouda is people. The law has spoken. May I present to you the man I handed over to, your son, who is about to bring rapid development to you. Me, your son. You know I grew up from the street. Me and you, community, village, short nika. I have been member. I have been leader. I have been deputy speaker. And I have been speaker. Let me show you the man who I handed over to. Right Tribal, Oko, Victor, Jumbo. Oya de, Meka de, my de. Nobody worry Fubara, nobody worry Fubara, Thank you. Let me show you those who are representing us with, there is difference between integrity and integrity. No, so let me show you integrity. The Right Tribal PS Imenengwa representing Ikwere Emowa Federal Constituency. Greet your people, sir. Simplify movement. Let me show you the woman capacity, Iron Lady, woman of God, a woman like you. It shows that every young girl here can be better tomorrow. She is a member of the Federal House of Representatives. She is representing Asare Toro, Akoko Toro Federal House of Rep. Honorable Poma Goodhead. Simplified women. I get another friend who also the House of Representatives, where they represent Okrika, Ogubolo Federal House of Representatives by Oma Honorable Alison Anderson Ehie. Simplify movement. Simplify movement. Rivers first. Simplify movement. Thank you, everyone. I thank you. My reasons of thanking is this. Some of us think that money can buy conscience. Rivers has proven to them money cannot buy our conscience. We are Rivers people. We are not slaves. It is only in the north you see one Aboki Alaji who gather crowd and feed them. The Rivers people are too civilized for that. Even in the colonial days, we did not go for slave trade. Not now. We cannot go. Simplify movement. Thank you and God bless you. Finally, let me introduce another. They say we don't get people. You see, House of Reps. The person that represents Port Harcourt City local government, Honorable Nyesom Wike. Yeah, my desire. Yeah, my desire. Yeah, my desire. Yeah, my desire. My soul, only you are my own. Say when I call, you answer me. You lift me up, my soul, only you are my own. Ahouda, cho. Oh, cho. My name is Honorable Nyesom Wike. I'm the survivor of Labour Party in the last election. The only one survivor of Labour Party in the last election. Ahouda is angry too. This crowd here tells me that we have Ahouda East, Ahouda West, Ahouda North, Ahouda South, and Ahouda Central. The crowd is too much. The crowd is too much. You must agree with me that we have GDI here. They are all simplified. PDP here are all simplified. Labour Party here all simplified. Obedience here all simplified. OPC all simplified. WC no follow. When I saw the passport, I said, no. This man is too handsome to be a terrorist. No, you don't tell me this man alone punted down the state assembly. No, I won't say. This man is too handsome to be a terrorist. I agree, Ahouda. Talk to your son. Yeah, desire. Yeah, desire. Yeah, desire. Yeah, desire. I saw love. Ahouda East is the headquarters of Orashi. Don't be so. I want to stand here on behalf of our leaders. They are here to apologize to our father and our mother. Sir, Dr. Peter Otunaya Odili, and our mother, Mary Odili, retired Justice of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. They are our own. Regrettably, we heard that they are now referred to as one man as an unagree. Your Excellency, the former governor of River State, on whose foundation all of us are building structure. You say Amechio, Omehio, Wike, Fubara, everybody is building their structure on whose foundation? on whose foundation, as the headquarters of Orashi, never we reject that statement credited to our leader, our grandfather, our general. We stand with the Odili's family. We know the impact you made in our lives politically in River State. You are not one man, one. Not be so. You are the hero of River State. You are the natural leader of River State. Sim Fubara is the political leader of
Just seen it for yourself. The answer lies in the shadow of power and greed. Many have accused Governor Wike, fueled by his desire to control the financial gain, sought to manipulate Governor Fubara for personal gain. Indeed, allegations of kickback and manipulation of the state funds cast a dark cloud over the political landscape in River State. Edison Ehie has obviously made it known to all that Governor Wike's attempt to destabilize our governments are not driven by concerns for the people, but by his insatiable thirst for power and money. But amidst the chaos, one truth remains steadfast: the resilience of the Rivers people. Many Rivers sons and daughters have said, "We will not be swayed by political games and selfish ambitions. Together we shall stand against corruption and fight for a better future of our states." Edison Ehie's determination to protect the generality of the people has obviously paid off reasonably. As the sun sets on River State, one question lingers: will justice prevail, or will the shadows of corruption continue to loom large? Do well to hit the subscribe button if you're new to our station. Also do well to intentionally hit the like button so that YouTube can recommend this video for more people to get to watch. Many thanks indeed to all our viewers and returning subscribers. We really did not take it lightly. My name again is Moses, and this is Think Tank TV. See you on our next video. Bye for now.